Hey everyone, so I have not posted any videos for the longest time and I decided it's time to make a comeback. I'm definitely going to be posting more videos now on like skincare, hair care, and some of my music. And I love to sing. I'm probably going to do mainly karaoke's until I can get up to writing again and I get instruments in this house. But I just wanted to say I'm back and I'm excited to get the show on the road again because I've just been prioritizing work, and I've been actually through a crazy journey with my hair in the past few months and year. I chopped my hair off, colored my hair different colors, and even fell off the train a little bit and just like wore my hair up in a bun for a long time. I was having to, still have to, but I drive a lot for work. So I didn't really have the time and effort, motivation, I guess. I didn't have the motivation to take care of my hair. So now I decided, since summer's coming up, I really want my hair to look voluminous and shiny and healthy. And right now this is my day 3 hair, so I usually put it up in like somewhat of a messy pineapple slash bun thing. But I definitely want to start sharing again, and I'm ready to invest into this because I've slacked off and I'm going to do better. So if you guys ever have any tips that you want to know about, or see my hair journey, or requests for some songs that you want me to karaoke or something, I shouldn't say karaoke, but cover. I'm going to cover songs. Just let me know, and I'm excited to get your support. I hope that you can like and subscribe this. I'm really just doing this so that I can help people and be a blessing to others with my music part, and then anyone that's going through a transition with their hair, from wearing their hair straight all the time into going into natural hair. That is something I really want to support people with, whether you're male or female, because the struggle is real. But my natural hair is curly, and I actually grew up not really knowing what to do with my hair at all. I had an older sister. She would tell me, but I wouldn't listen because I was like, my hair's not like yours. Because we definitely have a different texture. But basically, that's about it. That's all I have to say today. But I am excited to start YouTube again. So I am ready for questions, so comment in the section below, like and subscribe, and if you can, follow me on Instagram at RMCurls. Put the link in the description, and I also have a Facebook page called Janessa Ozeta. It's my music page, but I don't post too much on there, but I'm gonna start posting more videos of me singing and things like that on there. But yeah, I'm super excited to get this rolling. Have a great day. Much love. Keep being you. Bye-bye.